Today we're going to show you the video of what's inside the box of your Breg Polar Care Kodiak cooler. By the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what's included. So let's jump right in and see what's inside. Once you receive your Breg Polar Care Kodiak in the mail, this is what it's going to look like. As you'll see on the front, there's a sticker and it has the name of the cooler. So just make sure that it is what you ordered and that it says Breg Polar Care Kodiak. Once you've got it and confirm that it's the correct item, you're ready to open the box. So we're going to start with the sides here, or the front and back. Cut that open. Now, before you open the middle part, don't just dive right in because you don't want to damage anything that's in here. And sometimes the hoses are towards the top of the box, so we don't want to cut through that. So just gently raise this up a little bit. Take your knife and cut it right down the middle, very gently, not all the way down. Open up the flaps. First thing you're going to see in here is a skin warning paper, which just reminds you to not put the pad directly on your skin. After that, if you ordered a pad with your cooler, your pad's going to be in here. In this situation, we have the multi-use pad. And again, when you pull the pad out, also make sure that it is the pad that you ordered with your system before you open the bag. Mistakes happen and we can correct it, but once the sealed bag is open, it's not returnable. All right, once you've pulled your pad out, you are ready to remove the cooler from the box. And this is what the cooler itself is going to look like. Now, you can move this handle forward and you can take the lid off. And this is where your ice and water are going to go. And these are the two pieces that make up the cooler. Also inside your box, there's going to be a power supply. Very important that you remove that before you discard your box. So this little box here is your power supply. This is what's going to plug into the wall to run your system. And this is everything that's included with the Breg Polar Care Kodiak. Now that you know what's inside your Breg Polar Care Kodiak, click on the next video and we'll show you how to use your system. Let's get back in motion.